Assemblymember Chantel Jackson hosted Teen Pop-Up Shop at Bronx Borough Hall. This event shined light on high school students who are and aspire to be successful entrepreneurs in the future. Although Assemblymember Jackson couldn't make it, there were other elected officials in the building such as Councilmember Kevin C. Riley and Bronx Borough President Vanessa L. Gibson. The students had a very special guest who is an entrepreneur, actress, and motivational speaker, none other than Love and Hip Hop star Yandy. Yandy, joined by the elected officials, went around table to table to see what these creative students had in mind for a possible business.
My brand name is Moody Modesty, and it's a mixture of streetwear and modest clothing.
My business name is called Blessings. It's the words blessing and lessons combined together. And I got that from a traumatic experience that I went through about 2 years ago where I thought it was gonna be, over for me. But out of that, I was able to learn how to do hair, which is making me money now.
I go through anxiety, and through my anxiety, I go to God. I read the gospel. So through my business, I want to inspire other people that they'll be okay despite what they're going through, whether it's depression, anxiety. They'll be fine and they'll make it through.
Being a youth these days is certainly not easy. As you have heard, most of these CEOs have gone through some sort of trauma in their lives. However, look at what that trauma, depression, and anxiety made them into: successful young adults.
I feel like being a young entrepreneur is so that people can look up to me, not only to look up to me, to also empower themselves to, go for what they want and become who they want to be.
Not only were the students able to introduce their brand to elected officials, but they also received 3 citations from Assemblymember Jackson, Councilmember Riley, and Bronx Borough President Vanessa L. Gibson. This is important because these students are on their way to college, and these citations will look very appealing on college applications. With all this new talent and creativity in the Bronx, the future is not only looking brighter for these students, but for the borough of the Bronx. Reporting for BronxNet, Kairi Moody.